hopefully get you on that way, that journey towards staying ahead of your competitors. That is the whole mission of 2020, is to give you a competitive advantage.
But my own influences in my career came from 10 years of working with a whole lot of people that liked working with each other, liked their subject matter, and just wanted to try a bit harder. Didn't have to work extra hours than you did last week, you just had to work a bit smarter, a bit harder, and be a bit more tenacious.
It's important that you're staying up to date so you can speak to your customers about it, but it's very important you're staying up to date to post out onto your social media.
And put the heart in from the beginning, because the clients won't forget what you've done, and in turn that helps with the referrals.
Take back control. Take it, do something, have agency, be in charge. Take it, make it, have it.
We need to engage with our people more. If they only knew the goodness of what they did, they would be more motivated to come to work tomorrow.